Hey guys, welcome to my channel Take with Sourav. I am Sourav and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the user profile service failed to sign in. User profile cannot be loaded, error in Windows 11. So follow my all steps, don't skip the video. First restart your computer. On the sign in screen, click the power icon at the bottom right, hold down the shift key and select restart. After restarting, you will see the choose an option screen. Click on troubleshoot. Thereafter select to advanced option, then click on startup setting and then select restart. Your system will restart and show the list of the number startup setting. Now press 4 or F4 enter save mode. Once in save mode, replace entuser.dat file. The entuser.dat file contains after profile configuration. If it is corrupted, replace it may fix in sign-in error. Open File Explorer and navigate to C drive. Then go to User. If the default folder is not visible, then click on View. Then click on Show. After clicking on Hidden Item to display hidden folders. Then click to default folder. You can see that entuser.dat file is here. After that, rename the entuser.dat file to entuserold.dat. After rename the file, then back to default folder and click to temp folder file. And you can see that entuser.dat file is here. Copy that now. Paste the copied file into the default folder. After paste here the entuser.dat file, then restart your computer and attempt to sign in the affected account. Hopefully your problem will be resolved after the computer restart. After the computer restart, you can use another method. First go to save mode as you did before. Fix number 2. Restart user profile related service. Restarting service related to user profile can help resolve issue affecting login, file access or ability used to certain application. Press Windows key plus R to open run dialog box. Type service.msc and press enter to open the Windows service window. After the Windows service window opens, find the Windows profile service. After find the Windows profile service, then right click on user profile service and select restart from the drop down menu. Wait for the service to restart and check if issue is resolved. Then restart your computer. After restarting, see if the problem is fixed. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. I hope the computer will start without any problem. And I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.